How to fix YouTube channel phone number cannot be used for verification. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix YouTube channel phone number cannot be used for verification. To verify your channel, you will need to enter a phone number. A verification code will be sent via text or voice call to the provided phone number. Once your account is verified, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, add custom thumbnails, live stream, appeal content ID claims. You may also need to verify your account during the sign-up process. Please note that all carriers supports text messages and/or voice calls from Google. Verifying your phone number allows you to access additional features on YouTube and ensures that you are a real YouTube creator, not a robot. Now select how you would like to receive the verification code. Next, choose your country. Enter your phone number. Click on Get Code. If you encounter the error message, there are too many accounts with the same phone number. You will need to use a different number. To prevent abuse, use a phone number. A phone number can only be associated with 2 channels per year. Wait for 24 hours and try again. Sometimes the phone number will be unblocked after this period. Alternatively, try using a different phone number for verification if available. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.